Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to show you Vaseline and salt will remove unwanted hair permanently and will get you rid of unwanted hair painlessly without any kind of pain or without waxing and without shaving. This magical remedy works 100%, especially if you do have not a thick hair. But if you do have thick hair, you need to repeat the process several times to get the best results and to get the hair to fall from its roots, and the hair will grow back very thin. Every time you will use the remedy, the hair will grow thinner and thinner until you will get rid permanently of the unwanted hair. The first ingredient we need is regular salt, just regular table salt, and then we need to add on it 1 teaspoon of baking soda and mix well the ingredients. Like so, my friends. Then we need 1 lemon. Cut the lemon in half and add all the lemon juice on the remedy like so. Now mix well the ingredients. Then, my friends, we need a magical ingredient which is alum crystal, and alum is available in grocery stores and any kind of stores that you can buy stuff for groceries and for home. It's a alum crystal. Dip it in like so, and on the unwanted hair, massage the skin with it. Dip it in. You will find the hair falling from its roots. Be gentle, you don't need to scrub very hard or anything. Just very gently massage the hair with it like so. Massage the skin with it like so. And then with an aid of tissue paper, wipe off all the remedy and you will get rid of the unwanted hair. Like you can tell, the hair is falling off and I start have like little fuzzy hair and it's all falling off. After that, my friends, we need Vaseline, and get a little piece of Vaseline like so and apply it on the skin. Vaseline moisturize and close the skin to the point that it's not gonna make the hair grow back and the hair will be removed permanently. So my friends, the result will amaze you. Keep using that remedy to achieve the best results ever.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.